Hey guys, we received this Bruno Marc men's slip-on loafer shoes for test and try. They are the casual shoes with the warm winter and the ankle boot shoes. So you can see this feels really nice and they are the boot shoes. So they are nice for the winters as little warm feel. So let me just take out everything and show it to you, all this packing and stuff. So they are the casual shoes and a slip-on loafers. From the sides and everything you can see the soles looks nice and the soft and flexible thing in here. From the stretching and the sidewise, they are the really premium durable shoes and a memory foam cushion and the feel as well. You can see after wearing it, this feels really nice from the back and the side. Very nice shoes.